Welcome to More Than Mindset, the only podcast that bridges the gap between spirituality and success. Go beyond the mind with clarity and confidence coach Kim Guillory and learn how to integrate your passion to serve with your skills and experience to create a business you love. Let's get started.
Hello and welcome back to the show. I am just returning from an event in Chicago, which was amazing. We had a school full of body workers, massage therapists, and we did somatic massage, continued education workshop, followed by a VIP mastermind. So those who wanted to take the training further, really understand what was going on in their personal life that was preventing them from getting what they wanted in their business life, their professional life. We broke down all these core concepts and mindset and understanding limitations and where they're coming from and what to do about it. And best of all, how to take this somatic workshop and turn it into amazing revenue in their business. So it was an incredible experience. So happy to have hung out in Chicago with the entire team. It has been a while, people. Everyone was there. We had a lot of repeat clients who have already done, I think somebody had already done every single event this year. It was her fourth or fifth somatic event. That was crazy. We had our teachers. I was there. I was really dialed in on the mastermind, and we met some incredible body workers who we had no idea who they were up until that day. So that is the beauty of online marketing. They were captured by our Facebook ads and in communities and groups. So for those of you who are not marketing and promoting yourself, you guys are missing out. We had 650 years of body work in the room. Really think about that. 650 years of experience in this room. It was packed. We were sold out. And we have 3 more on the menu. You guys should get registered. These are scheduled for the next few months. We're going to be in Colorado. We're going to be back in Louisiana, Spokane, Washington, coming to Florida, and we are doing Chicago again. So you want to just respond to wherever you're hearing this from and say, I need the schedule and I need to get myself there. We do have an online, I feel like this is a commercial now. I promise I'll get to the point. We are also doing an online continued education on how to grow your business. So lots of great stuff coming up. Our team is growing. We have new trainers. It's so exciting. So exciting. I cried unbelievable tears whenever I got there, because I got to witness what we have been working and building for all of these years finally come together. Oh my God, it was the most incredible experience for me. So just want you to know, I cried a few tears. Okay, let's get started with today's show. The body worker business dilemma. That is what I want to talk about. What is the body worker dilemma in their business? Guys, I'm just going to tell it to you straight. You want to help more people. You want to be successful. You want your business and your life to thrive. You want to be healthy and happy. You want to look better, feel better, and do better. I know that. Anyone listening to this, I know that about you. Here is the dilemma. There is a part of you. There is an aspect. There is some mindset conditioning coming from things that you have misunderstood, have interpreted in a different way, or you just haven't experienced the sort of success that you could get used to, period. 2 things happening. You want success. You want to help more people. You want to create more impact. You want to be healthy, wealthy, successful yourself. You don't want to leave your family behind and be struggling and fighting and using your body to the point of exhaustion and then not making enough money to make ends meet or even be able to invest in yourself to learn a different way. You don't want that. I know that about you. The problem is there is a part of you that still wants that because it doesn't know better or different. This is what the mastermind was about all day. I just broke out the whiteboard. I'd stickies all over the walls, and we just got into people's personal limitations, mindset circuits that were stuck. So the first 2 days, we just allowed this charge to blow from the physical body. And then the last day, we allowed the charge to grow from the mind. All of these locked ideas, principles, and concepts that are holding you back, that are not true. There is no way out of that until you understand what it is. Guys, you need to come into the community. At least sign up to come to the weekly mindset calls that give you strategy on how to grow your business and give you strategy on how to change the way you think about your practice. Listen, I feel like I'm going to have a big old sales pitch right now because I want you guys to get moving. Oh my God, I met such incredible humans who are stuck. They're stuck in their body. They're stuck in their life. They're stuck in their business and they just want to help people. They are burnt out. They are exhausted and they don't know how to do it differently. And they have never seen business done the way that we are doing business. Our clients, our blueprint clients, first, we stabilize $5,000 to $6,000 months. Within 90 days, we get them to $10,000 months. Many of them are now at $15,000 and $20,000 months. I know this sounds ridiculous. It sounds impossible, but it's just because you don't have the relatability to understand how we're doing it. You need to get in the rooms. Start with coaching calls. It's $97 a month. Of course you can afford it. You can make it work. You need to invest in yourself first. We do these calls every week. You're inside of the community. You're being supported by other people just like you, people who started off like you and who are now succeeding and wanting to help you. The same way you want to help your clients, we want to help you. Okay? Got it? But first, you have to decide you want to be helped. You have to decide that you want to know different. You have to decide that you can have better, that you can do better. And until you make that decision, no one can help you, not even yourself. So here's the dilemma. You want it and you can't have it because you don't think you can have it, because you don't understand why you don't have it yet. And you're getting a lot of conflicting information. And that is actually going into this circuit and it's making it real, it's making it true, and it's making you right. What do I mean by it's making you right? You saying it's not possible, it can't happen, I've already tried that, that's ridiculous, that you will prove to be true. Only because it is true to you. It is not true to me. It's not true to me. It used to be true to me. And I was just like you. I didn't want to let it go. I didn't think it could be different. I thought I was broken. I was the oddball. There was something wrong with me. It was only for wealthy people. It was only for popular people, right? You know how it is. If they're pretty, if they're rich, if they're skinny, then they get everything, right? These are all mindset shifts. It's not true. It's not true at all. You get to be you fully, all parts of you, and you get to be successful if you're willing to get rid of these lies. They are lies. They are lies that you keep telling yourself about yourself. Very invalidating lies. Now you think that you're being, what's the word? Not being snobby, not wanting to be too high on your horse, or like you're trying to be noble. No, it's not true. You're meant for so much more. And you being humble and not receiving and working your fingers to the bone, literally, it's not the way to do it. You're worth so much more than that. So here's my deal for you this week. I want you to first identify where these things are stuck in your mind. They're not you. They never were you. I know they feel like you, but they're not true. I want you to identify how you think of yourself, how you talk to yourself. You could, if you don't want to get help, I'm going to give you the resources to get help for yourself. I suggest that you come into our community. We have a free community. We have a paid community as little as $97 a month. And then we have some big offers for the person who wants to go beyond six figures. It's already made at least 60, 50, 60, 70,000 in their business. We have something for everyone who is in the bodywork business. But first, you got to resolve this. You have to make a decision that you can and you will. So you just decided right now, I can and I will. I can and I will be successful. I can and I will be successful without it costing me my personal life. I will be successful without it costing me my physical health. Guys, you want to have it all. You want to be physically well, mentally well, financially well. All of those things are yours if you're willing to get rid of what's stopping you from having it. And your knowing it all and your idea of I tried it all and your thoughts about that's for other people and not me are the problem. They are the problem. And until you're willing to confront those problems and feel that discomfort of what it's like to not believe that anymore and to be okay with yourself being successful, nothing will change. And you can't do that by yourself. So I want to invite you to come and do it with us. We have an incredible team, just like you. These girls, as well as myself, there was a time we were struggling financially, physically, mentally, emotionally, environmentally. We were struggling and we have gotten out of it. And now we have so many of us who have gone on this journey, who has followed this blueprint and who are sitting in a way better position. And we want to offer this to you. But here's your homework. Why can't you have it now? You write that down. Why can't you have it? Why is it not true for you? What is not real to you when I say you can earn $100,000 as a body worker? Why is that not real and true for you? You just got to find out. Find out what that is. It's going to be different for all of you, but it's going to be very close. It's going to be very close. It always comes down to the same things. Okay. So I want to invite you to the community. We have community calls. We have marketing calls. You'll get the link below here. That's where you start. Someone from the team will reach out to you when you join that group. Your next step is to respond. For God's sake, if you're going to sign up for something, respond. Don't run away. Don't go and hide. Stick around. Someone's going to reach out to you. Get on a call with them. Find out what you can come to. It doesn't need to cost you anything, but find out what you can come to so you can meet other people who are doing what you want to do. Got it? That's your homework. Your homework is to find out why you can't have it. What are you telling yourself? And then I want you to come and hang out with us and let us help you get rid of that. We're on a mission. We know for certain our first target is 100 body workers making $100,000. That's just our first target. We're also looking for trainers, facilitators, partners, people who want to help us take our continued education workshops to the market. We want one in every state. So I remember when I did aromatouch training, there was no one in Louisiana. There was no trainer in Louisiana. And I saw that on the map. I was sitting in a room and I said, I'm going to be the Louisiana trainer. I remember when I went to a heart math event, there was no one in Louisiana. And I said, I'm going to be the one in Louisiana. 10X business coach. I'm going to be the one in Louisiana. I just chose it. I decided and I did it. And you can do that too. You can decide, I'm going to be the somatic practitioner in my state or my city, or I'm going to be the somatic trainer in my state or city. I'm going to be the one who's going to take massage therapy in a bigger, broader way and create more impact in the industry. If you truly feel that calling, you should reach out to us because we are going places, my friend. We've got 4 more trainings on the calendar. Some of these are online, some of these are in person. I would love to see you there. For today, make sure you do your homework. Find out why you can't have it right now. All the reasons, because of where you live, because people around here don't pay that, whatever it is, just make a big old fat list and email it to me. This is the reason why I can't have it. Okay. Second assignment, join the free community. Click on the link, join the free community, and respond when someone reaches out to you. That's it. That's all I got for you. Do your homework. Get out of this mess. Please do this for yourself. Do this for your family. Do this for your clients. Let's get out of this. The more of you that lift up out of this scarcity and mindset limitations, working your body to the bones, like trading dollar for hour, the more of you that get out of this, the better our industry is going to be and the better our world is going to be, because we're helping humans resolve all of this locked up, pinned up trauma and past in their bodies that's actually hurting them. It's harming them. It's slowing them down. It's aging them. And we want to help them get rid of that. Got it? Have an amazing week.
Thanks for listening to this episode of More Than Mindset.